If you're moving from Oracle on-premises software like eBusiness Suite, PeopleSoft, or JD Edwards to Oracle ERP Cloud, use your existing investments as a bargaining chip. Many enterprises pay hefty annual support fees for their on-prem Oracle licenses. Oracle has incentive programs to encourage the switch to cloud, often allowing you to trade in part of those support costs in exchange for a cloud subscription deal. A common arrangement is something like, for every $1 of on-prem support you cancel, Oracle expects $3, or another ratio, in new cloud spend. For example, if you're currently paying $1 million a year in support for EBS, and you sign on for an Oracle Cloud subscription costing $3 million a year, Oracle might let you terminate that $1 support without penalty. This way, you're not double paying during the transition, one payment for old system, one for new. It can effectively give you a discount on the new cloud service by freeing budget from the old system's maintenance. Bring this up early in negotiations if it's relevant. Oracle sales might not volunteer it because it reduces their support revenue, but they will often agree if it means a big cloud deal. Make sure any such arrangement is clearly documented. Specify which on-prem licenses you're dropping and that Oracle will not pursue any penalties or back support on them. It should be part of the ordering document that those licenses are terminated as you move to cloud. This is a specialized but powerful lever. It can save you millions over the contract term. Just be aware, once you give up those on-prem licenses and stop paying support, you likely lose the right to use them or go back. So be confident that Oracle Cloud is your future, because the bridge back may be burned, or you'd have to buy new licenses again. In essence, you're swapping perpetual licenses for cloud subscriptions, with Oracle giving you credit for the swap. Call to action. If you have sizable Oracle support fees for legacy systems, negotiate a support for cloud trade-in to offset your new ERP cloud costs. Don't pay twice during your migration.